Whether you work from home or in a dedicated office, adding plants to your space can completely transform the look and feel of your room. In today's video, we're talking about how to decorate your office with plants to create a calming, productive, and beautiful workspace. Why use plants in office decor? Let's start by talking about why plants are such a great addition to your office decor. Show clips of an office with different plants in the background. Plants don't just look great. They can also help reduce stress, increase productivity, and improve the overall air quality in your workspace. Plus, they bring a touch of nature indoors, which can make your office feel more relaxing and inviting. Desk plant ideas. First, let's talk about desk plants. If you're spending long hours at your desk, having a small, easy-to-care-for plant can be a great way to brighten up your space without taking up too much room. Succulents and cacti. Show clips of succulents and cacti on a desk. Succulents and cacti are perfect for desktops because they're low maintenance, come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and only need watering every few weeks. You can even mix and match different types for a fun display. Miniature snake plant. Show a clip of a small snake plant on a desk. A miniature snake plant is another great option. It's incredibly easy to care for and adds a modern, sleek look to your desk with its tall, upright leaves. Pothos or ivy in a hanging planter. Show a clip of pothos or ivy in a hanging planter near a desk. For something a little different, consider hanging a small pothos or ivy plant in a planter near your desk. These trailing plants add texture and life to your office without taking up desk space. Shelving plants for office decor. Now let's move on to how plants can elevate your office shelving decor. Spider plant. Show a clip of a spider plant on a shelf. Spider plants are perfect for placing on shelves as their long, arching leaves drape down beautifully, creating a cascading effect that brings elegance to any room. Plus, they're excellent air purifiers. Peace lily. Show a clip of a peace lily on a shelf. Peace lilies are great for brightening up any shelf. With their glossy green leaves and white flowers, they add a touch of sophistication and only need moderate indirect light to thrive. String of pearls or string of hearts. Show a clip of a string of pearls or string of hearts plant on a shelf. If you're looking for a more unique, decorative option, try the string of pearls or string of hearts plant. These delicate trailing plants are perfect for high shelves where their vines can cascade down and create a stunning visual impact. Floor plants to anchor your office space. Let's not forget about floor plants. Larger plants can act as focal points in your office, making the space feel grounded and balanced. Rubber plant or fiddle leaf fig. Show clips of a rubber plant or fiddle leaf fig in a corner of an office. Rubber plants or fiddle leaf figs are bold statement plants that can anchor a room. Their large leaves make them ideal for filling empty corners, and they add a touch of greenery without overwhelming the space. Dracaena or ZZ plant. Show a clip of a Dracaena or ZZ plant near a window or desk. If you prefer something low maintenance, Dracaenas or ZZ plants are great options. Both are tolerant of low light and irregular watering, making them ideal for busy professionals. Styling tips for a balanced look. Now that we've covered the best